Hi everyone, we are back with another Heroclix gravity display opening. Uh, if you've seen the previous video, I wasn't sure on that. I kind of got back into it and I thought this would be a nice one-off just to keep things fresh for the channel. But yeah, I got hooked a bit and I was pretty stoked with the previous display, but we were missing cards. I will show you which one we were missing. Yeah, cards and of course Heroclix. I will show you with the cards. So I decided to invest in another gravity display. Yeah, this is, I mean, if you do collect things, you know what I'm talking about. Everyone else is like, yeah, you're crazy. And it is a bit crazy. Yeah, but it seems like the first one wasn't the only video for Heroclix. Again, I collected these. I will link the first video in the description, but I collected these a bit for a bit like 10 years ago, kind of. But yeah, nobody was interested in sitting down and playing with me. So I discarded this, focused on other stuff, but I still think this is a fantastic product. It's underrated and it's quite fun if you get into it a bit. It's a quick paced, fun game, but can get pretty deep and exhaustive in playmats and obstacles and bonus stuff. But you don't need to get into this. One playmat is enough to at least get going. And there's different rules so you can have a quick game. But our mission today is to get number 10, to get number 15, and 22, which would make this a full set. Though these are 22 Heroclix. All in all, there are 24 figures in this gravity display. Hope this holds. Okay, that's better. And yeah, let's try finding these. These are the packs. One figure for each pack. This was cross promotion for the first Captain Marvel movie, so they focused on Krees and Skrulls to get a decent army. So we have this one already, but I don't mind. I like the swords, and these seem to be a bit sturdier than on the other figure. So yeah, this is the first thing to go with these kind of figures. But yeah, already own it, but still kind of fun product. So we do have 10. We needed this one, the Kree Captain Marvel. So this is good. We can check this off. So we have 2 more to go. Should be reasonable, aside from the rare one. So 22 should be pretty hard to get, but maybe we are lucky. Otherwise we have kind of a full play set. Vintage Nick Fury. I enjoy this one. I guess you have enough eye patch Nick Fury, Heroclix. I like the variations. Yon Rock. with a neat laser burst. And yeah, you can see the rarity here. This is a common one. The points here should tell you also if it's rare or not. Yeah, the more powerful the Heroclix is, the higher the number. So you have a predetermined number when starting to play. And yeah, this is to balance the game. So you go here because this is what we were looking for. Kree Soldier looks exactly like Minerva. Again, Kree heavy. So this is the common Nick Fury. Again. Come on. So yeah, I jumbled the cards, but I'm sure I remember. Okay, 16 and 15 and 22. 5 Atlas. It's been a time since I watched this movie, so I won't remember most of those. Again, Kree heavy, like the other display. Let's see if we can get some scrolls to level this out. 15. Okay. So we have one to go. This is Jan Rock, but in uncommon. One to go, 22. It's a rare, so chances are not good, but at least for the regular Heroclix, we do have a full set. And I'm not intending to do anything with it, but yeah, this makes me content. Atlas. No scrolls yet. Phil. Definitely an action pose, calling in help. Phil and Nick Fury go together. So nice. We pulled him twice. Oh. Almost threw that away. Our first Skrull is a Skrull Warrior. Common. Krees go here. So this is a bit better. Captain Marvel, the regular one. So yeah, a bit of the downside is we do have a lot of plastic, and I forget pulling these cards. Ronin, powerful. Yeah, you can see the hammer is quite bent, but this will happen. And again, glue residue, so, you know, quality control could be a bit better, at least on this one, but they improved over the years, so this was always common, stuff like that. Plastic is bending. Wow, so Skrulls are not in good position. They are losing by landslide. So Scroll Scientist comes to the rescue. This is uncommon, translucent. I like this one. But yeah, still getting whooped. Phil, and this is the uncommon. You can determine this by the higher numbering. The uncommon logo is silver, and the points for this one are higher, 25 higher. And this is Phil upgraded to Avengers Relation. And you can see on the card there's more abilities. Scroll Technician helps a bit. But I wouldn't bet on Team Scroll. Again, Kree Combatant. Versus 3 Scarts. Atlas. So this is the Kree display. Talos. Yeah, so I'm not too confident for the rare. So we did pull a rare on the last video. It was Captain Marvel. And yeah, the card is different for rares. It's like a double card. Not like this one. Minerva. Another Kree. Look at that. Only a few more left. Oh, we do have a rare. You see, this is a different card. Let's see if it's the right one. It is. So, Carol Danvers, Fearless. So, we managed to get a full set with only 2 gravity displays, but I wasn't sure we could do it, but we did. Nice. So let's see what the rest is. Just for completion's sake. I'm not sure if anyone would have bought that. But it's, yeah, it's for fun. At least Scroll get a bit of backup. And this is, let me check, this is our final pack. So it was a close one, but we did it. And a bit more backup. Scroll Technician for the underdogs. So 2 gravity displays, full set. Of course we have duplicates, but in this case it doesn't matter. So if you assemble your team, you could use duplicates. Yeah, so this was a fun little set. I enjoyed it, definitely. I'm already thinking about continuing this kind of opening. So yeah, if you want me to, just let me know. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the next one. I will see you there. Bye bye.